Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. In today's video is about true and false in Excel, and I want to explain certain myth or clear certain doubts about this true and false. Now mostly we use this true and false in VLOOKUP, where we give false for exact match and true for relative match. So in today's video I'll explain how this true and false work. So here I have given just a value, that is 3, and in B1 I am giving 5, and in this C1 I am just saying is equal to 3 plus, and into bracket a logical question, is this 5 greater than 3? Then what do you think, what should be the answer? Now we all are aware that in Excel true means 1 and false means 0. So in this case, because this B1, that is value in B1, is greater than value in A1, it is going to give us true, isn't it? So if I highlight this particular stretch and press F9, it's giving me true. So true means 1, Control Z, and now if I press enter, the result will be 4. Okay, similarly, if I say press F2 and reverse this logic and ask whether this B1 is less than A1, now it is going to give us false, and false means 0. So I am just selecting this stretch and pressing F9. False. So false is 0. So A1 plus false. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Enter. It's 3. So this is how Excel treats true and false, where true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. And remember, only this true and false, this only there are only two text which Excel converts it into 1 and 0s. Okay, and it does it internally. So now we'll use this true and false logic to see whether we can use it in VLOOKUP to our advantage. So it's a small database of, say, employee name, and supposing we are having this database where we are having the designation of these employees. So in column number 2, this is column number 1 where employee names are there. Column number 2, we are having designation of F and A, and in column number 3 we are having designations of D and S. So I am going to ask a logical question, is equal to OR. Now this is what OR does. If any of these conditions are satisfied, it gives true, and if none of the conditions are satisfied, it gives false. So OR, and I am a logical question asking, is this is equal to, into double quotes, A, comma, if this in double quotes is equal to F, and enter. True. So on these two occasions, that is A and F, it is giving us true, that is 1, and on these two occasions, that is S and D, it is giving us false. Now we'll use this true and false to our advantage. Now we know that this designation of A and F, they are in column number 2, and S and D designation, they are in column number 3. So I am pressing F2, and we'll say if, into bracket, if result of this OR, if it is true, then give me this OR, that is the result of this OR plus 1. So wherever it's A, this OR is going to give us 1, and 1 plus 1 2. So the column index number is going to be 2, and if it is not, so that is if that result of this OR is false, then give us Control C, Control N, Control V, give us result of this OR plus 3, because in false will be 0 and 0 plus 3 will be 3. So it will fetch the designation for D and S, and I think things are looking okay. I am just pressing enter. Yes, we are on the right track. Here it is, and now we'll simply put this inside VLOOKUP. So I have selected this range because I am going to use a relative cell reference feature of Excel. So we need not copy this entire thing again and again, and I am simply saying VLOOKUP tab. My lookup value is this. My lookup array is here, and I am pressing F4 to lock it, comma. Now the column index number is fetched by this if or combination, and because we want exact match, I am giving 0, completing parenthesis, and Control Enter. Here it is. Okay, so wherever it is A and F, that OR is giving us true, that is 1, and 1 plus 1, so 2, the column index number is true for A and F, so it is fetching executive as their designation. And in this S and D, because that OR is fetching false, which is 0, so 0 plus 3, so for S and D, it is going to column number 3 and fetching their designation, which is manager. So friends, this is how the true and false logic works. And whenever you have any scenario where you want to use this true and false and using that 1 and 0 inside any formulas, then you can use such kind of variations which will be very impressive to your boss and colleagues. So I hope that you must have found this video to be very exciting. And there could be some occasions where you may want to use this logic of true and false in your formulas. So friends, this brings me to end of this video. I am giving link of this Excel downloadable file in the description box. So thanks for watching, thanks for all your views and likes. Take care, take very good care of yourself and your family, and stay safe. Goodbye. Thanks.